wanted to see one, and now I'm looking at one. I just can't believe it. This is like my whole dream come true at once. A spotted eagle ray. Watch closely, adventurers. Look at how the eagle ray swims with its broad wings gracefully soaring through the water. It looks like a flying magic carpet. Now, let's spread our arms wide open, just like the spotted eagle ray, and glide through the ocean together. Are you ready? Let's go! Open and glide, and open and glide. Good job, you're doing it. Keep going. Now, let's talk about the spots on the spotted eagle ray. Look closely. These spots come in different shapes, like circles and ovals. Circles are perfect and round, while ovals are circles that got a gentle squeeze. Eagle rays also have a super long and whip-like tail that helps them steer and navigate through the ocean. Before we go, can you draw a circle? You did it! A green circle! Now, can you draw an oval? Yay! Good job! A green oval. Bonus round. Green in French is vert. Can you say vert? Excellent. Now, let's try one more time. Vert. You did it. You did it. Do, 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 do. All right, my little adventurers. Don't forget to keep practicing your circles and ovals. And remember, let's soar like eagle rays through the sea of imagination. Until next time, bye for now.